The MSI Cyborg 15A13VX is an exceptional gaming laptop that successfully combines powerful performance, modern aesthetics, and everyday practicality into one impressive package. From the moment you see it, the laptop stands out thanks to its futuristic cyber-inspired design, featuring unique translucent elements and a sleek chassis that gives it a distinctive identity among gaming laptops. Unlike many bulky gaming machines, the Cyborg 15 manages to maintain a relatively lightweight and portable form factor, making it a great choice for users who need a laptop that can easily transition between gaming, studying, work, and travel. Performance is where this laptop truly shines. It delivers a fast, smooth, and highly responsive experience across a wide variety of tasks. Whether you're playing modern AAA games, exploring competitive esports titles, editing videos, creating digital content, running demanding software, or multitasking between multiple applications, the Cyborg 15 handles everything with confidence and efficiency. Games load quickly, applications launch without delay, and overall system responsiveness remains consistently impressive, creating a premium user experience that feels significantly more expensive than its price category. One of the standout features is its display, which provides fluid visuals and excellent responsiveness. Fast-paced gaming feels incredibly smooth, allowing players to enjoy a more immersive and enjoyable experience. The screen enhances everything from gaming sessions to movie streaming and productivity tasks, delivering vibrant visuals that make content look engaging and detailed. Whether you're exploring open-world environments, watching videos, or working on creative projects, the display contributes significantly to the overall quality of the laptop. The keyboard is another area where the MSI Cyborg 15 excels. It offers a comfortable typing experience with responsive keys that make both gaming and everyday productivity enjoyable. Long study sessions, work projects, and extended gaming marathons remain comfortable thanks to the well-designed layout and satisfying key feedback. Combined with a responsive touchpad and intuitive user experience, the laptop feels refined and easy to use right out of the box. Thermal performance is also impressive. Even during demanding workloads and extended gaming sessions, the cooling system works effectively to maintain stable performance. The laptop remains reliable under pressure, helping users enjoy consistent frame rates and smooth operation without major slowdowns. This efficient cooling solution adds confidence for users who regularly push their hardware with resource-intensive tasks. Another major advantage is the laptop's versatility. While it is clearly built with gamers in mind, it is equally suitable for students, professionals, programmers, designers, and content creators. Its powerful hardware allows users to switch effortlessly between entertainment and productivity, making it an excellent all-around machine rather than a device limited to gaming alone. Fast storage speeds contribute to quick boot times and rapid file access, improving overall workflow efficiency and reducing waiting times. Build quality is solid and reassuring, providing a premium feel that exceeds expectations. The design choices give the laptop a modern personality without appearing overly flashy, striking an ideal balance between professional and gaming aesthetics. This makes it suitable for use in classrooms, offices, gaming setups, and creative workspaces alike. Overall, the MSI Cyborg 15A13VX is a remarkably well-rounded laptop that offers an outstanding blend of performance, style, portability, and value. It delivers the speed and power required for demanding tasks while maintaining an attractive design and user-friendly experience. For anyone looking for a reliable gaming laptop that can also handle productivity, creativity, and everyday computing with ease, the MSI Cyborg 15A13VX is an excellent choice that consistently impresses and provides a highly satisfying ownership experience.